Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reorder or rearrange Word document pages. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you want to go and open up another Word document. Come to the bottom, right click on Word and click on Word again, and it will then go and open up. You want to create a blank document like so, and you can then go and select the main document you wish to rearrange for your left document. Then zoom out a little bit like this. You can see everything clearly. What you have to do is choose the page you want to be first. In this case, I want it to be this one here. Click and hold and drag right at the top and drag all the way down to go and copy everything. Once you are at the bottom of the page, right click and press copy, Ctrl C, and come over to the new document, and right here you can right click and press paste. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl V. And as you can see, we have now copied our first page, and then I want this page to be the second one. So once again, click and hold and drag all the way to the bottom, press Ctrl C to copy it, and come over to the right document and press Ctrl V and paste, and that's pretty much it. You can repeat this process on many pages as you want. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to reorder or rearrange Word document pages. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.